Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
When I saw Sir Georgie, kinabahan na naman ako dahil eto na naman siya.
All the feelings of, having all those challenges went back.
I want the clothes you want for the consultation on the mannequin. Okay? I'll give you 1 hour to do that, and I'll be back.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Trabaho na agad.
Tama. Agad-agad. Agad-agad.
It was just happy to see, your collection coming out on the boxes.
When we started to unpack our things and everyone, had boxes of stuff, and I was looking around and I had one rack. Literally one rack.
Okay, designers, let's start with the consultation. Okay, I'll start with your cheetah.
Ako talaga.
Ano pang problema mo?
Ang dami ko kasi ng stitching works na dapat gawin sa Rayla. So, iniisip ko kung kabit ko na, diba? Before fitting ko.
Siguro, let's say, let's say for a dress, you can hem it already unless you know it's a...
No, so nakahem na po.
Okay.
Yung mga treatments na like this, makapinta yung iba sa Rayla.
Pero yung last layer na lang.
Yung last layer. So, madali na naman yun.
Madali na yan. Yung iba na lang umahin.
Pero okay naman, sir.
Okay naman. Sige. Ayun na. Tingnan mo.
Mapipil mo naman if he's really not happy or medyo disappointed with your collection.
Ay, ano naman ang problema mo?
Wala naman, sir.
Sige.
Pero lang, sir, ito po, sir, yung ginagawa ko, kinukonek-connect ko lang sila para magka-cohesive silang lahat. So, ito, sir, ilalagyan ko ng mga ganito para yung mga lines na makita.
Okay. Pero parang tapos ka na.
Yes, sir. Sinipay ko na lang, sir. So, pag sumamba naman ako, pag sa PT, di okay na para less. Pag naman, sir, pag may repair, bumaon na lang ako ng zipper. Sa zipper, lahat ko ako mag-a-adjust.
Okay. Pati finishing tapos na.
Medyo finishing pa rin ako, sir.
Sige. I'll leave you here at tapusin mo na yan.
Okay, sir.
Milka, you next?
Yes, sir.
Milka, dyan ka na.
Goodbye, Amor. So, Sir Georgie, obviously, everything.
Ang bango mo? Ano ba?
Ako naman may iba zipper na lang. My problem is this one, sir. Kasi, lalagyan ko kasi siya ng pag gano'n. Natatakot ako baka, ano gagawin ko para hindi siya lulunod? Hindi kaya lulunod. Ano ba, kinabit ko na siya all throughout.
You really have a similar naman there, diba? Ano yun, no? Pag ganun mo ng lining.
Tuck na lang. Okay.
Oo. Pero ano, bigyan mo ng ng stem.
Para hindi siya
Para
malagay.
hindi, oo. Yes. Pag gumagalaw lang siya, pero hindi siya gagano'n.
Ay, so brilliant.
Okay, ano?
Nung umalis ka po sa Bicol after ng first consultation, problema natin yung, diba? Ginawan ko lang siya ng shorts. Nag-shorts siya.
So what's gonna be under the plastic vest?
Actually, kung hindi masyadong bare, at saka hindi mas malaswatan na, okay lang ba na?
Wala. Of course, sa akin din, I don't want anything under that. So siguro, you can talk to the makeup artist if, he can cover that area, no?
Siguro, kung
okay lang po mag-add ako ng treatment dito para, kasi masyadong
Better pa that one. You add some more treatments here and there.
so parang mag-cover siya.
Para mag-cover.
Ito yung mapapansin.
Yes. So, eto na lang, no? Everything's okay already, no?
Ako. And model na lang talaga ang kulang.
So, figure mo na.
Titing na lang.
Okay. So, now, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You know, I'm so proud of you guys. And I hope that you wow all the audience, you know, on Final Runway. So, work, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
When I see the kitchen, it's my dream kitchen.
I feel rich when I saw the hotel because there's a bathtub inside. Gusto yung check yung view? Joke na.
Gusto ko magluto ng midnight snack. So, syempre, tatlo kami. Doon kami sa mas malaki. Tsaka, we need the, meron
At least may space ka, Nel, di ba? At saka bibisyo ka yung space mo doon.
may space at tsaka meron siyang, privacy. Oh. Diba? Special po kami.
About the room assignment, you know, being a gentleman, I asked the girls to decide which room they're gonna stay.
Mga girls na lang isang room, di ba? Di ba, Nel?
I feel that nobody is gonna share in my bed. Because, you know, we are the mean girls.